Hong Kong is known as the Pearl of the Orient due to its stunning skyline and vibrant culture. It is a special administrative region, SAR, of China, having been handed back from British control in 1997. The official languages of Hong Kong are Chinese, Cantonese, and English, reflecting its colonial history. Hong Kong has one of the highest population densities in the world, with over 7 million people living in just 1,104 square kilometers. The city is divided into 4 main areas: Hong Kong Island, Kowloon, the New Territories, and the outlying islands. Victoria Peak offers the best panoramic views of Hong Kong's skyline and is a popular tourist destination. The Star Ferry, established in 1888, is an iconic mode of transportation across Victoria Harbour. Hong Kong has a thriving street food scene, with delicacies like dim sum, egg waffles, and stinky tofu. The city is famous for its skyline, which features over 300 high-rise buildings, including the International Commerce Center. Hong Kong Disneyland opened in 2005 and is the first Disney theme park in China. The city is home to one of the world's largest shopping districts, Causeway Bay. Hong Kong has a unique blend of Eastern and Western cultures, evident in its architecture, food, and festivals. The Mid-Autumn Festival features mooncakes, lanterns, and dragon dances, celebrating the harvest and moon. The city's public transport system is highly efficient, with options including buses, trams, and the MTR subway. The Hong Kong International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, known for its efficiency and design. The city's tallest building, the International Commerce Center, stands at 484 meters, 1,588 feet. Hong Kong is a major financial hub, often referred to as the Wall Street of Asia. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange is one of the largest in the world by market capitalization. The city has a rich history of piracy and smuggling, especially during the colonial era. The famous Bruce Lee was born in San Francisco but raised in Hong Kong, where he became a martial arts icon. Hong Kong is a hub for film production, with a vibrant cinema industry that produced stars like Jackie Chan and Chow Yun-fat. The city has over 260 outlying islands, with Lantau Island being the largest and home to the famous Tian Tan Buddha. The Hong Kong Museum of History showcases the city's past from prehistoric times to the present. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with countless bars, clubs, and restaurants that cater to night owls. Ocean Park, a theme park and marine mammal park, offers thrilling rides and animal exhibits. The Hong Kong Arts Festival promotes local and international performing arts, including theater, music, and dance. The city has a rich culinary scene, with influences from Cantonese, Sichuan, and international cuisines. The famous junk boats are traditional wooden ships that are a symbol of Hong Kong's maritime history. The Dragon Boat Festival is celebrated with races and the consumption of zongzi, sticky rice dumplings. The city experiences a subtropical climate, with hot, humid summers and mild winters. The famous Victoria Harbour is known for its stunning views, especially during the nightly Symphony of Lights show. Hong Kong is one of the most photographed cities in the world due to its unique blend of nature and urbanization. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, art fairs, and public installations. The Hong Kong Polytechnic University is known for its strong emphasis on applied sciences and engineering. The city's economy is heavily reliant on trade, finance, and tourism. The Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center hosts major international events and conferences. The city's street markets, like Ladies' Market and Temple Street Night Market, offer a variety of goods and experiences. The Peak Tram is one of the oldest funicular railways in the world, dating back to 1888. The Hong Kong Observatory provides weather forecasts and is known for its typhoon warnings. The city has a large expatriate community, with people from various countries living and working there. The Hong Kong Film Awards is one of the most prestigious film awards in Asia, celebrating local talent. The Ngongping 360 cable car offers breathtaking views of Lantau Island and the surrounding sea. The city is home to various UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Historic Center of Macau. Hong Kong has a diverse wildlife, with many species of birds, butterflies, and marine life. The city's public parks, like Kowloon Walled City Park, offer green spaces in the urban environment. The Hong Kong Book Fair is one of the largest cultural events in the city, attracting book lovers from around the world. The city's education system is highly competitive, with a strong emphasis on academic achievement. Hong Kong has a vibrant LGBTQ+ scene, with events like the Hong Kong Pride Parade. The city is known for its high cost of living, particularly in housing and real estate. The Hong Kong Jockey Club is one of the largest horse racing organizations in the world. The city has a rich tradition of Chinese medicine, with many practitioners and herbal shops. The annual Hong Kong Arts Festival attracts international artists and performers to the city. Hong Kong has a unique feature called Sky Gardens on many high-rise buildings, promoting green spaces in urban areas. The Hong Kong Heritage Museum showcases the city's cultural and historical artifacts. The city is famous for its neon lights, especially in areas like Mong Kok and Tsim Sha Tsui. The Hong Kong Sevens is a major rugby tournament that attracts teams from around the world. The city's public libraries are well-stocked and popular among residents, offering various programs and events. The Tian Ten Buddha on Lantau Island is one of the largest seated Buddha statues in the world. The city's nightlife is centered around Lan Kwai Fong, a popular area for bars and clubs. The Hong Kong Science Park is a hub for innovation and technology, housing numerous startups and research institutions.